you know, you're gonna wake up the whole neighborhood just opening your door is really loud. It still moves actually quite nicely. Oh, that's a heavy little door.
Little? It's not little.
Well, you know what I mean. 55 years old. This is a senior door. Okay, this door needs to go not to the retirement home, like just straight to the landfill. I think I could deserve a cheeseburger after this. Oh God. We'll fall. All right, everyone. There. You can put that back, just bend it. Still works. You can use that at another house if you need. Yeah. You need a screen?
They killed the guy.
Hello. Morning, everybody. It's your favorite master home inspector, Ian Lozon, here with Timber Point Home Inspection. We're out here again today with Ecoline windows and doors. And what we're looking at behind me is not a giant house. It's actually a sixplex. It's an apartment building. And what we're going to be doing is switching out all the windows and all the patio doors in this building, giving it an awesome makeover. You can see to my left here, we've already put in one of the basement windows there. Looks beautiful. And we're going to get rid of these old metal aluminum patio doors. So that's where we're going to be going next. So a really exciting project. Just goes to show that Ecoline, it doesn't matter if it's just doing one window like they did in my house or doing multiple windows, multiple doors in a big building like this, it can be done. So come with me, we'll go see what they're up to. We've already installed some newer windows on the previous day. So we removed these older style aluminum single pane windows. They do a decent job of keeping the wind and the rain out, but in terms of their energy efficiency, it's quite reduced. Obviously they look quite dated, so switching out to the new Ecoline triple pane slider window, you can see the difference, how nice that looks. So we have a brick exterior, and then at the top here we have a metal lintel or header, which is supporting the brick over this opening. So we don't want to disturb that. When we remove the window, we want to just leave that metal in place, that metal bracket. And then when we install our window, we're going to do our caulking all the way around. Brick is really important that you get that caulking really nice and into that joint because the brick has kind of got rough edges. It's not smooth. So you want to make sure that there's going to be no chance of water getting in there. And because they're recessed, this window's recessed back a little bit, you're not going to get as direct rainfall down. And then you can see our sill here, our brick sill has got a nice little slope, gentle slope, so that water will just be able to run off of it. So this is a really nice installation here. It looks really good, really clean. You know, they make this caulking look almost effortless, but when an average person goes and tries to do that, it's just a mess. There's caulking all over on their fingers, all over the wall, over the window. It's a mess. So these guys do a good job. They clean it up, and this looks like a great installation. What I want to mention too about the caulking, some people, it might not be in their taste to have to worry about, you know, recaulking the windows every 5 to 7 years kind of thing, depending on how exposed they are to the elements. So there is another way of doing it, like in a new construction situation where we would actually remove the bricks along a certain distance from the window all the way around, and then we would put in our nail fin window. So then we would fasten it from the outside, and then we would put on either like some sort of smartboard trim, or you could maybe try to re-brick it, but it would be quite cumbersome. It'd take a lot of effort, and it's really complicated to do. You need to match the mortar and then the brick. It's not going to look the same. So this way it looks just natural. It fits what we're looking for here. So it can be done the other way, but there is some drawbacks to it, which I think one is time and cost is going to be more. This way we can do these windows in 20 minutes, half an hour, or the other way around, it's going to take days, if not weeks, to do it because of the re-bricking. And that's probably someone calling me to talk about caulking. It's a nice building. Got some heritage, some pictures of some old Australian winemakers from 1928. All right, so we're gonna enter in one of the units here and see what we're looking at. Looks to be a fairly nice sized unit. 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. A lot of light coming in on the side here. So we have, looks like each unit has the patio door and then also windows along the sides, possibly even in the back. So compared to some other apartments where you might only have windows and a door maybe on one side, this has got a lot of natural light into it. So being able to enhance that with the Ecoline, that's important. And what did I see over here? before we even get over to the slider, because they're still making the door. Come over with me. My favorite choice of all, vinyl casing. Clicks right into place, especially in an apartment style where if you're a building owner or a property manager and you're having to deal with repairs and painting when tenants are getting switched out, you don't have to worry about taping up the casings. These aren't going to get damaged or chipping, and you can just remove them and then paint the wall and then put them back on. And they're way less likely to get chewed up by animals, and any water that gets on there is not going to cause any rot and chip peeling. So that's really good. Nice large sliding frame window, very effortless. We'll go see some other sliders, the original ones, and you'll see how hard they are to move along. Nice sliding frame window, and again, we can, for cleaning, we can pop it out, rotate it, and we can clean the whole window. Keep those are gonna look awesome forever. So one big advantage of these types of slider windows, I love the sliders. It's growing on me over time. I used to be a big casement guy. Now I think I'm starting to be more of a slider man myself.
Slider man, you're gonna slide everywhere.
Slider man. Okay, we're looking at one of our old aluminum sliding doors. So this building was built in the early 70s. So this door is, what's the math on that? Like 55 years old. This is a senior door. Okay, this door needs to go not to the retirement home, like just straight to the landfill. It does nowhere where it belongs anymore. It's way past its prime. It's like an old musician. You don't want to see it anymore. We remember the good times, but after a while, it's time to move on. So you can just hear how loud it is when it moves. You're gonna wake up the whole neighborhood just opening your door. It's really loud. It still moves actually quite nicely. But it's just a single pane door, so really energy efficient. The handle itself is quite loose. The lock, still works, but not very secure, and you can feel how the door still moves. There's gonna be lots of air coming through. About as bad as it gets for patio doors in terms of the energy efficiency, the security, the sounds, the noise, everything about it is gonna be changed out, and I'm gonna guarantee you these tenants that are here have no idea what's going to be coming for them today. When this door is installed, they're going to be like blown away. They're just going to be playing with this door all day long, I guarantee it. Here's our new door opening, our sliding door frame. They're assembling it as we speak. So they've put all 4 sections together. Again, we have our vinyl frame, nice high quality weather stripping in there, good threshold. I love these sliders. I told you, sliding, I'm a big slider guy now. We got the sliding door. Ecoline sliding patio door is the best door that you can buy. I guarantee it. I don't care what else is out there. I don't need to see it. This is where I'm going every time. And this is gonna be looking fantastic when you get rid of this old aluminum. This is just gonna pop out. I don't even think they're gonna need tools. I think they just pull it out with their hands. And then when we get this one installed, it's gonna be nice and secure. You can hear all that construction noise in the background. Once this door's installed, you're not gonna hear a single thing. We've done the door test already, but we could even try it again later if we have time. It's you won't hear anything when you're inside, which is great. A lot of people working from home still. So if you get that traffic noise, it's gonna be distracting. So if you have a nice high quality Ecoline triple pane sliding patio door, you're loving it in life. Oh, that's a heavy little door.
Little? It's not little.
Well, you know what I mean. I think I could deserve a cheeseburger after this. Oh God, this will fall. Oh, light.
It's so weird to hear you not talking. You're on his way.
I gotta stop helping. I'm inspecting. So inspectors inspect. Just because I'm not moving my hands doesn't mean I'm not doing stuff. I'm observing, keeping people safe.
You're taking open eyes nap, right?
I perfected it. Okay, what just taking off some of the bead around the drywall, so you can see that water has been, melting and coming off the edge of the door frame and then ending up in the drywall here. So there's a little bit of mold that started to grow over time. It's just on the surface. It's not actually rotting out that drywall, so it's not super soft. So this will all get removed anyways. So it's not a huge issue, but there is a little bit of mold there, which is really common when you're dealing with old patio doors of this nature. Looking at this wood section here, we might think that it's actually the building structure. It's not. It's still part of the door frame. So we're going to remove this as well. There's a caulking that's been added in the past to help prevent any air leaks and water getting through. So this is all going to get removed, cleaned all up, and then we're going to put our new sliding patio door in, and you will not notice anything about it being old. It'll look perfectly brand new, like it's a new building. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, we have our door opening prepped. We've added some extra wood on the side to account for the door frame that we've installed. It's going to be a little bit narrower, so we have to make up for that. And now we've put on our 3M flashing and then putting on some special silicone for the threshold. Once that's ready to go, then we're just ready to put our door frame in, fasten it into place, put in our doors, and then snug it all up, seal it all up, and then we're good to go. All right, here's our old aluminum sliding windows. You can see single pane windows, really hard to move across.
And so quiet, eh?
They are really quiet, if you're deaf. But
Or dead.
Or dead. Yeah, a little bit of rot going on inside here. Lots of frost, lots of ice buildup. These can freeze shut in the wintertime. It really is a safety hazard, so we're gonna get rid of these. These guys just pop out like super easy. Slide out. Easiest windows to take out ever. Look at that, they just pop right out. And single pane glass, so you're gonna hear a lot of noise from outside.
You were saying about the energy efficiency.
Oh, what energy efficiency? It's gone. It doesn't exist. Not too bad, but you'll be able to hear everything happening outside, and you're gonna feel the drafts in the wintertime. Again, they're not safe when they freeze up. So we're gonna say goodbye to these ones, send them off to the landfill, and then put in our new triple pane sliders. There. You can put that back, just bend it. Still works. You can use that at another house if you need.
Yeah.
You need a screen?
Don't kill the guy.
Hello. Look, we have some rusty mold, I would say. It's like mold and then the metal from it causes it to rust out. So I call it rusty mold inside the window. So it's similar to the door, probably due to the ice melting in the wintertime, on a warm day. And it gets in behind the wall, causes the mold to start, and not good, not good. All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up things here today. So things to keep in mind, whether it's a house, a townhouse that we've done before, or a apartment building, if it's got 6 units or 60 units, it doesn't matter. Ecoline can do it. They have their Canadian-made windows and doors coming from the factory. So it's a really good option if you're an investor, if you're a building owner. Go with Ecoline. They can take care of it. They do a good job. They clean up everything, keep the tenants happy. I'm always happy when I see this going on here, and doing these sliding doors, sliding windows, really good. It's one of the more cost-efficient ways to do it, and it looks really good when it's done. So it really blends in the building. It's going to make the building last a lot longer. It's going to help value to your investment. So I'm thrilled with how they guys did the work today, and I think that's going to wrap things up. So I'll catch you guys later.